gonna see how to use Street View on Google Maps on your Windows or Mac PC. Firstly, go to Google Maps on your browser, then type in the place you want to explore, then press Enter. Locate the orange Pegman icon in the bottom right corner. Left-click, hold, and drag it to your desired location. And now, release the Pegman to enter Street View. To navigate in Street View, click on the arrows on the road to move around. Use your mouse to drag and look around, then check the mini-map in the bottom left to stay oriented. Now you're all set to explore the world from your computer. Just choose the country, city, or even the neighborhood you'd like to see, then start moving using the arrows and explore the new places you've never been before. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.